Naples, Florida from the air provides you with a totally different perspective of our beautiful town. From the white sandy beaches to the longtime community staple, the Naples Pier, which is nestled against the downtown happenings of 5th Avenue and 3rd Street. The waterfront communities and restaurants are peppered amongst the finest shops and entertainment. You can see the abundant wildlife and preservation areas. End each day with some of the most beautiful sunsets in the country, right here in Naples, Florida.